Okay, so from the City Hall, we are going to the marketplace.
Just check.
Ira, my car. Oh, my car.
Oh, wow.
Naka-open eh, no? Ba't kaya hindi na nanakaw? No? Mahirap siguro.
Wala ko naman.
Ayun na naman, Ray. Laging may mga Canadian flag talaga. Talagang note to self. Note to the Philippines. One way to inculcate patriotism is having a lot of flags. Sure. So ito yung back ng City Hall. And more marketplaces. We just met a very friendly person named Kevin, and who gave us all of these free pamphlets. He's the one who takes care of the park and the city government hall, and that's him over there, the one wearing blue. I think he'll be more than okay to be recorded because he's a very friendly person, and his actual designation is he works at the Stratford Tourism Office. So he was inviting us to live here in Stratford. And he
we might consider.
Wow. We'll see. Cross the bridge when we get there. So he gave us all this information and talked to us for around 20 minutes. So he was a very friendly person, and he referred us to this Avon Theater, where Justin Bieber's star is found and located, because Justin Bieber is actually, I think, born and raised here. Ayun, Avon Theater. There it is. Yeah, Avon Theater. Yan na, Avon Theater. Avon Theater. Okay, cross. But where is Avon Theater? Where is Justin Bieber's star? Okay. Yeah, okay. Nicholas Pennell, John Hirsch, Christopher Plummer,
David Williams, Megan Follows.
Okay, no Justin Bieber.
We need to look for the other.
Ah, there are stars there.
Yeah.
Kate Reid, James Reaney, Timothy Findley, Desmond Hill.
Sir Alex Innis, Tanya.
There.
Ah, Justin Bieber.
The very top.
That we stepped on Justin Bieber's star.
Yeah, because Kevin said that he always steps on it for good measure and good luck. So there's Justin Bieber's star. Okay, I think that concludes our adventure at Avon Theater. Oops, your shadow's blocking it.
I'm sorry.
Hey, hello. So it's 6 o'clock PM now. Medyo sunny pa. Well, not medyo, sunny pa talaga. And we are coming back to the Stratford Festival Theater, where we will be watching our play tonight. And
These are wildflowers.
wildfowls. Please do not feed, pero alala nila.
Yeah,
I'm
so
a bit
big.
scared.
I'm so scared. Nah, they're so near us. But they don't mind us.
They don't mind us
Just
naman.
eating grass.
Totoo. Pero alala nila. Kaya nilang kainin talaga. Okay, bye ducks. Okay, so we have nearly finished our tour of Stratford, and now we are at the centerpiece of today's adventure. We are at the Stratford Festival Theater, where most of the Shakespearean and other types of plays are held at the City of Arts and Culture here in
Stratford.
which is the City of Art and Culture in Ontario. So we are going there now and gonna see the different stuff before we watch our play at 8 PM. So we still have around an hour left to check it out. I just wanted to show our path to the theater And this is a baseball field. That is a football field, and I want to join. So
I
yeah.
think you can join.
Yeah, I think I can join. Pero punta muna tayo sa theater. Ayan na, nagpo-football lang yung mga tao. So ayan, palapit na tayo ng palapit sa theater. So it's my first time stepping on a baseball field. Yeah, baseball to if I'm not mistaken. Gusto mong umbrella. Hello! So after more than 4 hours of walking, we are at the festival theater.
Yes.
So, lakad na.
Lakad na.
Let's go!
Festival.
Again, my theory of to inculcate Filipino pride, there must be more flags because there's literally Canadian flags everywhere.
Yes. And that theory,
That's not a hyperbole.
sinabi ni John many times today.
Oh, I mean,
So,
kasi ang dami rin times talaga.
It's a policy that he wants to establish in the Philippines.
Yeah. Diba? Filipino flag. Filipino flag. Canadian flag there. Canadian flag there. We get it. We get it.
Kapag siya ay naging politiko sa Pilipinas, yun ang una niyang
Okay,
gagawin.
so I think this is it. This is the Stratford Festival Theater. So, punta na tayo dito and let's take a photo. Festival Theater. By the way, the sun, this is 6:30 p.m. It's not noon. Okay, photo na tayo. Okay.
Stratford Festival.
Bye video. Okay, so anticlimactic. We have finished first with the center of the festival theater, and now we go to the side.
We're going to the
last part
side.
of the theater. Yun yung sinasabi nila tito and tita na may statues. I can see them now. Hello, so we're just waiting for our play here at the theater. So this is what we will be watching. Something Rotten. Welcome to the Renaissance with poets, painters, and bon vivants. The Bottom Brothers, two struggling playwrights in Renaissance London, are rehearsing their new history play entitled Richard II. A work they're certain will finally rocket them to fame and fortune. Unfortunately, rock star playwright William Shakespeare is inking his own version of the ill-fated king's reign over England. Broke, desperate for ideas, and soon to be relieved of the patronage provided by the penny-pinching Lady Clapham, Nick Bottom goes to Soothsayer Alley. There he meets with Thomas Nostradamus, not that Nostradamus, who receives a vision of a bold new theatrical genre, the musical. Hearing of this yet-to-be-originated next big thing in which actors inexplicably burst into song and dance, Nick is convinced the stars have delivered him a £1 million idea. A saucy and affectionate stand-up of the bard, musical theater, and celebrity culture, this Broadway hit has everything necessary to captivate audiences. Wow. Something Rotten is a wonderful comedy with a great book, great songs, and huge dance numbers. These are the stars. Hey, there's Justin Bieber. Joke lang. Bye. Hello. So I think this is the last part of our tour outside the theater. If I am not mistaken, this might be William Shakespeare. For all time, the statue of William Shakespeare was unveiled on August 10, 1999 to mark the official launch of the Stratford Festival of Canada's For All Time Endowment campaign, designed by Festival Design Coordinator. Proud to acknowledge the generosity. He was not of an age, but for all time. Ganda ng ano.
You can continue introducing Shakespeare.
Okay na ako.
Okay.
So we are now entering the Stratford Theatre Festival. Stratford Festival Theatre. Oh, okay. Thank you, my wife. So yun pala yung lobby. Playwright Circle. Thank you so much. Hey, hindi tayo there. Festival Theater Cafe menu.
Can I get something for you guys?
Chips. Wendy and Peter Pan. We are now entering our first stage play here in Toronto. Something Rotten. Hello, my love.
Hello.
So, of course, I'll be switching off my phone now. So, it's inside the theater. 2024 Acting Company. 2024 Something Rotten Orchestra. Artistic Company. The Eton Lounge. Hello. So we are entering aisle 8. Wow. Ay, lapit nga natin, Ray. Wow. Thank you po. Ganda ng experience na to. Lapit nga. Ganda, ganda. Hello, we just finished our play. So this is what the theater looks like at night. Sobrang ganda ng play. Would recommend.
And sobrang funny.
Sobrang funny. 10 out of 10 play.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a musical comedy.
Ang galing nila. Ang galing.
Sobrang galing.
Everyone.
Totoo. Sobrang gwapo nung nag-Nigel, ano. Hindi mo makamove on. As in, every time. Eye candy. Amazing. So, Stratford Festival. Hey. Thank you, Stratford Festival Theater. Great experience. Totoo. Hey. Goodbye, Stratford Festival. Thank you, Something Rotten. Ganda nun. Solid.